thing in the power play overs. Players go for sweep shots and really favors the sweep shot, because in this ground sweep shot is really favorable for the batsman. Straight back shots again to the bowlers, and this has been the mistake from the batsman from the team Elegant in the first over also. They didn't go for any sweep shots. There were so much of gaps. Once the ball is passed for the power play circle, it will be a boundary. This time nicely bowled again. What a over it has been from Hashim. And it has been fantastic bowling performance from young friends Urwa. I think the team Elegant, they have to think a little bit the batsman of the side. They have to get the score sticking on. They have to get at least a score like 50 on the board, so that they can put the pressure on the team like young friends Urwa, because team Elegant has been fantastic with the ball against Yanam. So their bowling side is so strong, so they need something like 50 on the board. This time again Jatabat carrying, and he's gone back to the pavilion. He was really not looking good in the start of the innings itself, so he was struggling and at last he perished.
Exactly, it was a struggle innings. Comes to an end of Ashraf there. But one thing I really not impressed with these two opening batsmen, that every time they're looking for the big shot, but not really looking for the rotation of strike. When you fails to hit the big shot, you need to quickly realize that you cannot underestimate even singles as well. That's why I'm always comparing singles into raindrops. Even it was a very small in a size and shape, but the continuous falls of raindrops makes the river overflow, and that's what's really lacking in this opening batsman, that every time they're looking for the big shot, they're just neglecting the singles and rotation of strikes.
Surely Sashizi, because always singles creates big scores. Whenever the batsman is rotating the strikes, that put the pressure on the bowler. When the pressure is on the bowler, it's an opportunity for boundaries for the batsman. So the new batsman is Shakir from the side of Team Elegant. Still the captain is not entering the ground. Riaz is waiting. This time going for the cross shot, completely beaten. Now this has been a fantastic start from the team Young Friends Rua. Just 4 on the board. Just 4 on the board. This is a second over of the team Elegant. They're looking for a start here. This time again going for the big shot, and it's gone. Second wicket lost for Team Elegant, and it has been very poor display of batting. Now I think now the captain of the side has to enter into the ground. Mr. Riaz, he is the man who can make a big difference in this match. Such a big experienced player, a player who can rotate the strikes, a player who can get huge maximums. He's a big hitter of the ball. Even you see at his physique, you can see that he's a strong man. He has known for pinch hitting. He has known for reverse sweeps. He has known for all. He has all shots in his pocket. So Riaz is the man now. 4 more overs left with 1 ball in this over also. So 25 deliveries left in this innings. Still the scorecard is only 4 on the board. So I think Elegant has to move on from here. They can't stop this match. They have to get something on the board so that they can put a fighting total against a team like Young Friends Rua. They're looking in a great form. They had a very good first match. They chased the target. Now they are against Elegant. This time nicely played. Look at that shot from the batsman Riaz getting the strike, and I think he'll be looking for the second run. Slight misfielding, and Rashid Baba has been kicked there, and 2 runs, and Riaz looking in a good touch here, flicking the ball.
Well, it was 2 overs completed, and score is just